Welcome to an LG support video. Here we'll show you how to safely and securely install and stack your LG front-load washer and dryer. When installing, do not attempt with one person, as the weight of the dryer and height of the installation makes this stacking procedure very risky. Also, incorrect installation can cause serious accidents and physical injuries. Proceed with at least 2 experienced service personnel. To begin stacking, first, place the washer firmly on a stable, even, and solid floor as instructed in your owner's manual. Make sure the machine is correctly leveled. Fully retract the dryer legs before placing it on top of the washer. Do not stack the washer on top of the dryer. There's a right and left bracket. Peel the protective paper off the double-sided tape from the right side bracket. Mount the bracket to the top right side of the washer with the rear bracket tab against the back of the top and the side tab against the side of the top. Press the front of the bracket firmly against the top to adhere the tape. Use one of the screws supplied with a stacking kit to mount the rear of the bracket to the top of the machine. Repeat these steps with the left side bracket. With the help of another person, lift the dryer onto the washer with the rear feet near the back of the bracket. Slide the dryer to the rear until the rear feet engage the bracket. Install the front cross bracket between the side brackets. Make sure the tabs on the bracket cover the front feet of the dryer, locking it in place. Mount the cross bracket with one screw on each side using a Phillips head screwdriver. Do not use a stacking kit with a gas dryer in potentially unstable conditions. You now have your LG washer and dryer stacked and ready for use. Thanks for watching this LG support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.